solve for x in log, oh sorry, not log, in 3 to the power of x is larger than 4, and they wanted to find x. And basically with inequalities, the main thing you need to think about is when you divide by negatives on both sides, you reverse the inequality. Otherwise, most of the time you can just treat it as an equal sign. So what I'm going to do to solve for x is I'm going to pretend this is equals, and I'm just going to log both sides. So log bracket 3 to the power of x is bigger than log 4. So when you log both sides, the inequality sign can stay the same. You don't have to reverse it. So now let's bring the x to the front. So we have x times log 3 is bigger than log 4. So then I'm going to divide by log 3 on both sides. Now what you need to remember is that if this number here was smaller than 1, so for example, if it was log of 0.5 or something like that, then you can't just divide it. You have to reverse the inequality sign, because when you divide by something with an inequality, if you're dividing or times by a negative number, you have to reverse the inequality. Now log 3 is a positive number. If you don't believe me, you can type it in your calculator to check. So actually I'm just going to show you a check. So if I type in log 3, it's a positive number, so you're allowed to do it. So I mean, you can make the inequality sign stay the same. So x is larger than log 4 over log 3, so log 4 over log 3. And the answer is 1.262 rounded to 3dp. X has to be bigger than that. So that's the answer. Now let's check whether it's right using a graphing program. So let me bring it up. Oops. Let me just. So what was the equation? The equation was 3 to the power of x is bigger than 4. So let's just do y equals 3 to the power of x. And what did we say? We said x is 1.262. So if you go to where 1.262 was, you will see that when x is 1.262, y will be equal to 4. So whenever x is bigger than 1.262, so if I go x is bigger than 1.262, in this region, the y value will be bigger than 4, okay, on this purple line. So when x is bigger than 1.262, y is bigger than 4 on this equation. Okay, thanks for watching guys. See you next time.